Dividing decimal by whole number. Let's go. 6 is your divisor. We have 7 and 8/10 divided by 6. First step, put the decimal just above where it is placed in the dividend. 7 divided by 6, we have 1. 1 times 6, we have 7. Subtract 7 minus 6, 1. Bring down 8. 18 divided by 6, the answer is 3. And 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. 12 is our divisor. We have 38 and 52 hundredths divided by 12. First step, put the decimal right where it is placed in the dividend. 38 divided by 12, we have 3. 3 times 12, we got 36. Subtract 2. Bring down 5. 25. 25 divided by 12, we have 2. 2 times 12 is 24. Subtract, we got 1. Bring down 2. We have 12 divided by 12 equals 1. 1 times 12 is 12. Subtract, we have 0. Get it?